Hey everybody, in this video we are fixing your Steam application not updating your games. So if your downloads are stuck, slow, or won't start at all, we've got you covered. So let's just get started. So you can just go over and reopen Steam as administrator. For that, find Steam, right click on it, and select this option of run as administrator, and you can restart Steam the correct way. You may just go over and do so. Or you can clear out the Steam download cache. So go to Steam for that, and once you go to your Steam application, you can just go over, and from there go ahead and go to the Steam option and click on it, then select the option of settings and open it up. And once you access the settings right here, you need to go over the download section and find it up and select it. And within downloads, you can just go over and clear the download cache right here. Clear cache and confirm it up. You can confirm it up, and you need to restart your Steam once again once you do so, and that should probably fix the issue as well. Apart from that, you can change the Steam download reason. So go to Steam option at the top and select settings once again, and within here go to downloads and select the option of download reason, and you can switch up to any other reason and apply it up, and then you can restart the game once again. And apart from that, if you're using any kind of VPN or proxy, you can turn it off while you are using Steam, because VPNs mess with the Steam download, so you can turn it off if you're using one. And also free up disk space. Steam stops updating if you have, or if you're low on storage, so make sure you have at least 10 to 20 GB free, and that's how we can fix the Steam not updating games. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to check, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.